Bible prophecy might be intrigued by this. Just recently, the Sanhedrin, a Jewish religious authority, has called for all Jews around the world to return to the Holy Land, and they should be ready to build the third temple. First, I want to establish this point. When I say Jews, I am talking about a people who are pretending to be descendants of ancient Israelites, who are perpetrating the greatest identity fraud in the existence of mankind. The Ashkenazi and Sephardic Jews are not the people of the book. They are indigenous people of Europe and not the land of Israel. They stole the land of Israel by the help of Britain, the U.S., and other countries. The Balfour Declaration of 1917 led the way for the Jewish state of 1948, which, by the way, is illegitimate, ladies and gentlemen. It's a generic state. Both to the assembly of Smyrna and Philadelphia in the book of Revelation, the Messiah mentioned about Jews claiming to be Israelites but were perpetrating an identity fraud. First, in Revelation chapter 2, verse 9, the Messiah declared, I know thy works and tribulation and poverty, but thou art rich, and I know the blasphemy of them which say they are Jews and are not, but are the synagogue of Satan. Revelation 3 and 9, the Messiah declared, behold, I will make them of the synagogue of Satan, which say they are Jews and are not, but do lie. Behold, I will make them to come and worship before thy feet, and to know that I have loved thee. Now, if you read the Jewish Talmud, then you will understand why Yahushua said that these people are the synagogue of Satan. The word Jew comes from the Hebrew word Yahuwah, which means of Judah.